Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and doing well. I welcome you to an interesting video. Let's see what are we going to prepare here. So what are we gonna do? You have to make some interesting patterns using these mathematical numbers. So we have created some beautiful characters like this and you can mold them into any of the shapes like this using these numbers very beautifully. We've made the ice cream, the cake, the pizza slice and then the apples and all, a glass, and where we have created a beautiful juice around, and we can create as many things as we want, and then the grapes as well. Isn't it cool? You can just color them up and this is gonna look amazing. Now using these numbers, let's have a look what are we going to create. So we have created a mouth like the face part, and further we have created a sleeping cat. Don't forget to put the tail around, and this is something interesting. Isn't it cool? Keep on proceeding, and here let's see what's the right way of making a belly. Further here, using these different techniques, we are gonna create some different vehicles. Let's see what different vehicles are we gonna create here. So first we have created a taxi here and then something here with the siren on the top. Now let's see what are we gonna create here. We have to just write this, and we have created an ambulance van as well. Further here, you have to create this vehicle and keep on making as many vehicle shapes of different shapes, sizes, and you can just make it in this form. You've created a crane as well, and then this one in this manner. We have to just make the patterns like this, and this yet gonna look amazing. Further here, you have to get the dust of a pencil. You have to just sharp it and then just spread it with the help of the earbuds, and then here you have to end up getting a beautiful character like this. Make a tail, and this cat is gonna look damn pretty. Give it a bushy shade and this is gonna look amazing. Create the beautiful lovely eyes and then the face part as well. This is cool, isn't it? Keep on proceeding. Now let's see what are we going to do. Keep on proceeding. Here you have to just do it in this manner. Just make this plain. Now how are we gonna make this? You have to just create it in this way and then dig it in this manner. You have to just make the crane look like this, and further you have to make the pit around in this manner. Isn't it cool? Keep on proceeding, and let's see what are we gonna make here and what are we going to create here. You have to just get the beautiful drawing, grab your markers and create these beautiful lines, join them together, and let's see what in the end are we gonna get. You have to just create these patterns around and scribble it around in this way, and these are gonna look amazing. Thank you guys for watching.